Hey guys, this is Vacuum 103 here, and here's another vacuum that I'm gonna do a review. This is the Hoover wind tunnel to high capacity. I just brought this home with me from the hotel. The problem with this machine is that the power button broke. It was onto the on position, so I replaced it with a new one. And it does not have any attachments, so I found a crevice tool, an extension one, and I found a turbo brush. I haven't found the dusting brush yet, but I'm gonna find one maybe whenever. And also the height adjustment wheel broke off, so I'm gonna try to find one off of the same vacuum like this. So. And I'm sorry if I sound like this. I'm really sick. I've been having really bad sinuses. It's due to the weather. So, anyways, I'll go ahead and review this machine. So, here we have like 5 HUD adjustments. Go from bare floor, low, go from bare floor, low to high pile carpet. So, yeah, this thing's kind of stuck. There you got 12-8 motor. And he's got the Hoover logo right there. It says wind tunnel 2 channels of suction. And underneath here, as you can see, here's the brush hole. You can see the height adjustment wheel broke off. I'm gonna try to find one off of the, well, I guess I will find it off the internet. That's what I would do. So, right here's the filter. So you just basically pop it off. You can see here's the filter. You can see it's a little black. So it really hasn't been washed, but I'm gonna clean this thing out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean this machine. And the dirt cup to release, you just simply push this silver button. And this is your dirt bin. And again, I'm sorry if I sound funny. I'm really sick. So this is where you empty your dirt cup by pressing this little button. And the filter, you just simply lift this, and here's your filter. It's washable, and it's a little dirty. I'm gonna have to wash it. So, if I could get the filter back on. So there we go. And the cyclone filter, you just simply twist. Well, you just simply twist it off and take it out, something like that. So right here, this is a check-in indicator. It tells you, like, if red, which means it's time to wash your filter, or the dirt cup needs to be empty, or if there's any clogs. So that's what it is. Alright, so onboard tools, get the turbo brush. So yeah, it probably hasn't been used. Maybe, I don't know. Probably hasn't been used. You got the crevice tool. It's very long crevice tool. You got the extension wand. So yeah, I did find a couple of tools. And the dusting brush, I'm gonna try to find the dusting brush. And on the back here, you got this hose. So there's one thing I really like about the hose, is that they use this little button to push off. So you just push this button like this, and it slides off. And it's not really that long. Perhaps, I don't know. So there's one thing I really like is about, they just made this little button right there. You just push it off and it comes out. Like, compared to the other vacuums, like, when you're ready to use the hose, you just gotta, like, twist it off and it gets really stuck in there. So I'm really glad that they made this little button. So I'm really cool. Here's your on-off switch. This is, right here is a brand new on-off switch. Yep. Sorry about this, Facebook. Yeah, so this one has a brand new on-off switch. I just replaced it. Like, it was onto the on position, so it would not, like, go back to off. So, and right here on the back is your foot release. This whole silver thing, your foot release. So, yeah. So, and right here on the back is the cord. So, it's not really that long. So, yeah. And some of the Hoover wood tunnels, some of this machine like this cord hook right here on the back, it like broke off. Like some of them broke off. So, yeah. So, I'll go ahead and do a demonstration for you guys. So, yeah, and I'm really sorry if I sound like this. I'm really sick. So I just have a really bad sinuses. Go ahead and plug it in. Plug it in. Alright, so plugged in. So let's put the cord clip on here. Alright, so here we go. It's kind of loud, so I'm giving you guys a heads up. So here we go. Little loud, and I don't know what is making all that noise. I'm really not sure what it really sounds like. Like, must be something underneath the brush roll. But so yeah, yep. Here's another vacuum review, and that's the Hoover 102 high capacity. So thank y'all for watching, and hopefully I might, well, I don't know if I wanted to go live, because I've been really sick here lately. Well, actually, I've been sick for the last, probably for 2 days. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.